what's going on, everybody? I'm Zach Captainstall, CEO and co-founder of Rise 48 Equity, and we're here at Rise Heather Ridge Apartments. This is 252 units in Arlington, Texas, part of the Dallas MSA. We acquired this deal in October of 2023, completely off market. We had no competition from anybody else, who got it at a great basis. And I'm here with Jeremy Dyer, our Vice President of Capital Formation.
Yeah, thanks, Zach, and we're really excited to showcase this property and what we're really doing to drive value and growth for our investors. The upgrades to the new three-tone exterior paint have really provided a nice fresh appeal to prospective residents that visit the property.
We've also installed a brand new permanent monument sign with an LED backlight, which helps boost the curb appeal of the property.
So we immediately went into our interior renovation plan right after we acquired the asset and started renovating these units to our full platinum level scope. So we've got new vinyl plank flooring, real quartz countertops, undermount sinks, modern plumbing pull-down fixtures, stainless steel appliances, brand new cabinet boxes with shaker doors. We've already renovated 45 of these interior units since we acquired the asset just about 12 months ago. The average rental increase across those 45 units is $313 per unit, which is $13 above our initial projections. Really doing a great job here with our operations team and our construction team here. Even though we've had to overcome what has been negative organic rent growth in Dallas the last 12 months, we've still been able to execute our business plans, force appreciation, not only achieve but exceed our projected rent. So great job so far here.
If you're interested in opportunities like these, where we're making a measurable impact, you can partner with us today. Please reach out to us at rise48equity.com.